It feels like Christmas time when Waterford gal a wine. We make love so our girl, it wake up our forefathers. No one can do it the way that you do. Believe me, there is no one, 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 no one. Pretty wine, what a pretty little face. Put more than wine up your waist. To the car, let's go for a ride. Don't worry, anything alright. I will never hurt you. Never make you cry.
Alright, so vlog right now. A chicken and a bird them right now. But don't pay attention to that. Hey, watch your face. Cut that quick.
Tell me how you feel. Everything I spit is gold, like I got a grill. Bet you people talking thought I'd sell out once I got a deal. Still me and my team, only difference we live in the hills. We live in the dream, these bitches perpetrating the skills. At the soup kitchen with my mama, they giving us meals. I was poor in my adolescence, but now I'm getting meals. Come on, tell me how it feels when that brand new record spills. Homie, this the come up. I'm from where them drug dealers are runner. But I was never about that shit, I just worked to the sun up, boy, yeah. Claiming that they got it over there, but they never had it over there, motherfucker, this the come up. Came a little
vehicle off the road properly from my place. I presume you gone. But I see then they make sure say you man do you. Let me a glass if I go for the trip.
Afternoon again. Busy rest stop, sir. Then 110 zone. There are 44 over the limit. Bring your driver's license back in for the vehicle, please.
We just get stopped, we get pulled over, we go what? 150 something in our one a vlog. Say hi vlog.
Hello vlog.
Say hi vlog.
Who is that?
It's like a
Take a picture of
alright, one.
Why me not see man? Is somebody you talk to?
No, I want video.
Okay.
Like you know the video that we post?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello vlog.
You can see police right there. So. Alright, so yeah. We're there. See if I get one ticket.
Pull over your grandma.
Vlog. Right now I'm there. I'm in all room and stuff over there. So computer this. I watch Kevin Too Crazy vlog. It's crazy. It's fun actually. But yeah, day one, I about to go out to my grandmother's shop. Which, if you guys are ever in Jamaica, make sure to stop by Osborne store, right alongside, across from the what gas station, Port Charles gas station, the Texaco, if I say still name, me I check and make you know. Stop by, buy some food, buy guy bar, do something. Yeah, both we go there right now. There's a billboard. Never vlog today cause kinda the draggy. They sleep out most of the morning and then wake up on the road. Yeah. So how's your day? Oh, first of all, I'd like to say
thank you for your patronage.
well, watch your vlog them cause when they post a vlog it get like 80 in a week. Never happened before. And then the music. So yeah, thanks to everybody who support, like, share, who view the thing. Keep it going. And yeah, right now, oh yeah, also, Ola Como Star. I'm not saying Konnichiwa, it's not the song. The what you make the YouTube, what you make YouTube subscription thing, like show you how much views and everything. I found out that most of the viewers are from a Spanish country. I don't remember which Spanish country, but big up on yourself. And United States, big up on yourself too. Help people with juvenile stripe, you know. So that Uncle Zico, so all going.
I'm gonna look at you, you know.
Alright. So we make bed, we make settee, we make veranda chair.
Yeah.
Right there right now, right?
Yeah,
Veranda hanger, right?
Yeah.
Alright. So yeah. Link in the description below. Email me or anything. We make them handmade, they good. Yeah.
Look at
Good
that.
day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see the long one here too?
No, where is it? So that I see it
Yeah.
and then I back. That's so.
And these are the rest. The back rest.
Yeah. So yeah. Go on with look at thing. And you can go check it out. Osborne Store Clarendon. Right in front of right across on the gas station. So apparently one party about some vlog right now catch a flicks. No shoes. Look at my boy Kevin. Vlog. Look who there. Yo. Yo man that like in cool still now. It's American. No, I don't like saying granny now go see it. No, one man.
She probably won't.
She will. Come actually edit and put out vlog.
Yes, you will. So hello, vlog. He's still an asshole, and he's still shocked.
He's still an asshole.
I'm still taller than him, so.
That's another problem. If you have an issue with my shortness, talk to my mother and father.
Right.
We can't jump now. We got the camera. You know what I jump? Alright. What is the name, Bentley?
Taxi. No cab.
Alright, just me at the right? Alright. Merry Christmas vlog. Yo, Jack. Oh, look now. It's a Merry Christmas vlog. My look guys. It's a Merry Christmas.
Hey. Come on. Whose is this?
I was about to drink it.
Oh.
You want it?
Happy boxing.
Take it. Happy boxing day.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, take this out. Hey, who for this? Who for this? Oh, well. The poil. Oh.
Spoil. Then tell Sam say spoil.
Oh, because you have winning the night. Alright.
Lashin!
I think.
Lashin! Pineapple or champagne?
You want to drink the boxing around?
You got so big!
What you vlog? What there?
No, you're even harder.
Must want to go Alpha Farm.
Oh, they didn't do it. Grandson. A vlog. Everybody else. Nah, vlog yesterday with my great grandfather. I ain't for in Bridget and yeah. So they have vlog. So Trump. Yeah, they good.